1 and 42 in your book, and hopefully you already watched the Brain Pop video because that'll be very helpful. Okay, so if you already watched the Brain Pop video, let's look at page 41. Okay, so looking at page 41 in your book, I'm going to get mine on here. Okay. All right, so this is what page 41 looks like. Okay, so it says, look at, model it, complete the number bond. Okay, so I have 15 and I see a 9, but I'm missing the last number in the number bond. So number 2 says, use the number bond in problem 1 to complete the 4 facts for this fact family. In the Brain Pop video, you learned that there are 3 numbers in a fact family. Okay, we can only use those 3 numbers. So if you're looking at the 4 facts in the fact family, I see that there is a 9 in every fact. I see that there's a 15 in every fact. And now that third number is missing, okay? So because this is my big number, that's my big total, I need to figure out what is the missing part. So I'm going to think 9 plus what is going to get me 15. Okay, we've practiced a lot of different ways to do this in class. I can count on from 9 to find my answer. I could turn this into a subtraction problem. Okay, I could do 15 minus 9 equals. Okay, so there's different ways for me to try to figure this out. So go ahead and try to figure out what your last number would be in the number bond, and then go ahead and put it in your blank spots. Okay, now I'm not going to give you the answer. Okay, we'll check it in class. Then when you're looking at number 3, okay, they want you to put the answer there. Okay, so 15 minus 9, and they want you to put the answer there for what that would be. Then for number 4, using that number bond 13, 7, and 6, go ahead and fill out your next fact family. Okay, so remember, I see a 13 in all of my problems. Okay, now I need to fill a 7 in all of my problems. Okay, so make sure you have a 7 in a different spot in each of your problems. And then don't forget to do a 6 in each of your problems. Okay, and then number 5 says, looking at these strategies, which models or strategies do you like best for solving subtraction problems? Okay, so you can look back at your math pages, okay, and see, do you like using fact families? Do you like using the number line? Do you like counting back? Okay, and write down which one you like best and why. Okay, and then that's it for that page. So then if you can turn to page 42. Okay, so now looking at page 42. Okay, problem number 6 says, Tia says that the equations below belong to the same fact family because they both have 5 and 8. Do you agree? Explain. Okay, so kiddos, when you're looking at this one, remember, a fact family has to have the same 3 numbers, okay? So if you're looking, there's a 5 here, a 5 here. There's an 8 here, and an 8 here. But uh-oh, look, this one has a 13, this one has a 3, okay? So Tia is saying that they are the same fact family. Do you agree? So write, yes, I agree, no, I don't agree, and tell me why. Okay. All right, then look at the rest of the page. I feel like you should be able to do the rest of the page. Just be careful when you get to number 10. Again, look at these three numbers, 10, 2, and 8. When you're deciding which equations belong, make sure all of the equations you pick have a 10, a 2, and an 8. Okay, there will be more than one answer. Okay, because remember, we need 4 facts in a fact family. So fill in the bubbles for all the ones that you think belong in the fact family. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Again, if you're having any trouble, just pause this, play it again, replay the brain pop video, okay? And make sure you bring your math book back to class and we will check these in school. All right, bye kiddos.